Kung aspiring freelancer ka siguro, by now, na-try mo nang mag-apply sa isang job post. So, ginandahan mo yung resume mo, gumawa ka ng magandang cover letter. Tapos, sabi ni client sa'yo, after many days of waiting, sabi niya sa'yo, please send your portfolio. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa mundo ng freelancing, for sure, wala ka pang portfolio. Or kung meron man, baka konti lang yung nasa loob. At kung hindi ka naman nagpapasa ng portfolio sa client na yun, lalong bababa yung chances mo of getting hired. Okay. So, pag ganun ba, hindi ka na lang mag-a-apply sa client na yun? Or meron bang way para makagawa ka ng portfolio without having previous clients? Parang valid ID lang yan eh. Para makakuha ka ng valid ID, kailangan mo pa ng another valid ID para makapag-proceed sa application. But don't worry, I'm here to tell you how you can create a portfolio kahit na wala ka pang client or kahit na estudyante ka pa lang or kahit na nagsisimula ka pa lang sa mundo ng freelancing. And there are 3 steps you have to take in order to make it happen. This video is sponsored by Starbucks. When was the last time you had a sip of the Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino? Hindi, joke lang. Hindi talaga ito sponsored by Starbucks, ha? Baka maniwala kayo. Pero Starbucks, kung nanonood ka, maybe this is your time para sponsoran itong channel na to. So, step number 1, choose an imaginary client. Ano ba itong mga imaginary client na to? So, itong imaginary client, ito ay kahit anong business na nag-o-offer ng product or service. For example, pwede kang pumili ng imaginary client na Nike, Adidas, ano pa ba? Pwedeng Facebook, pwedeng Sony, pwedeng Canon, etc. So kahit anong business ba pwede kong gawing imaginary client? Kahit sa Facebook? Well, not exactly, no? Para maging relevant yung portfolio mo, kailangan yung imaginary clients na pipiliin mo ay sila din yung nasa similar industry katulad nung ina-applyan mong client. Let's say for example, yung ina-applyan mong client ay nasa gym or fitness industry. Ngayon, para makita nila yung vision, para ma-visualize nila yung output na gagawin mo, kailangan mong kumuha ng imaginary client na nasa gym or fitness industry. So kung local clients ka, pwede kang kumuha ng Gold's Gym, Anytime Fitness, etc. Bakit pa kailangan magkaparehas ng industry? Pwede namang magkaiba eh. Para mas madali. Kailangan mo kasing mapakita sa client mo na kaya mong gawin yung work na yun. Alright? At syempre, the more na na-visualize nila yung output na ginagawa mo, the more na tumataas yung kumpiyansa nila, tumataas yung confidence nila na, uy, itong nag-a-apply sa akin na to, mukhang kayang-kaya niya yung work na ginagawa. So you have to make them visualize and you have to help them come up to a logical conclusion na ikaw yung tamang hire for them. And that leads us to step number 2. Which is you have to create sample work for your imaginary clients. Hindi ka lang pipili basta-basta ng imaginary client. Kailangan mo din gumawa ng sample output na yon. When it comes to freelancing kasi, most of us are offering services. Services like data entry, services like graphic design, social media marketing, etc. Pero lahat ba kaya mong gawan ng portfolio talaga? Well, the answer is no. Hindi lahat ng services na ino-offer natin ay kaya nating gawa ng portfolio. Pero kasi, halimbawa, kung yung skill mo ay nasa bookkeeping, nasa accounting, ano yung ilalagay mo sa portfolio? Ilalagay mo dun yung mga numbers sa kinumpit mo. Kung paano ka gumawa ng balance sheet. Sorry, I'm not an accounting person. Or, kung nasa data entry yung pinasukan mo dati at papasukan mo ngayon, anong ilalagay mo sa portfolio mo? Magta-type ka ba ng new set of paragraph, new set of stories para lang masabing nag-data entry ka? Hindi ganon. Paano nila malalaman na hindi mo lang kinopy-paste yun? Pero as much as possible, huwag ka mag-a-apply sa mga data entry jobs ha. Kasi most of them nowadays are scam. Gagawin nila sa'yo sa una pa lang either magpapabayad na kaagad ng software fee or kung anumang fee yan. Tapos at the end, kapag mag-payout ka na, sabihin nila, oy, meron tayong processing fee. Kailangan mo lang magbayad ng ganitong amount Tapos, makaka-payout ka na kaagad ng $300. So, ang bilis, no? Pero, scam yun. We're not talking about that today. Maybe some other video. Now, pero kung yung service na ino-offer mo ay merong nakikitang output in the end, like graphic design, like planning, etc. Well, ito yung pwede mong gawan ng portfolio. Now, kung yung ina-applyan mong client ay merong pizza business, then kailangan yung imaginary client na kukunin mo ay related sa pizza industry. Pwedeng Yellow Cab, pwedeng SNR, pwedeng Pizza Hut, or even nga pwedeng yung mga local na small stores lang eh. Tapos anong gagawin mo? Create 3 sample designs for them kung graphic design yung ino-offer mo. So pwedeng ad yan, pwedeng banner, pwedeng menu, etc. Kapag nagawa mo na yung tatlong yon, you have to do it to 2 more imaginary clients. Pero this time, kahit nasa ibang industry na. Bakit kailangan mong ipakita yun? Bakit hindi na lang 3 pizza clients or imaginary clients, di ba? Well, kailangan mong gawin yon para mapakita mo sa kanila na kaya mong gumawa ng variety of designs in different industries, in different brands. 3 sample work times 3 clients. 9 kaagad yung output na gagawin. Ang dami. Di ba pwedeng mas konti na lang para mas madali? Well, pwede namang konti. Pero you have to realize na kailangan mo mag-show off kay client eh. Kailangan mo i-show off yung skills mo. Now, kung isang imaginary client lang yung gagawin mo at 3 output lang, well, that may not really get the ball rolling. So, if I were you, I will put the effort right away up front, no? Para mas lalong tumaas yung chances ko of getting hired. And that is one of the secrets when applying. You have to put your best foot forward. Palagi mo na sigurong naririnig yun, pero ano nga ba yung definition natin ng best foot forward? Sabi nila kapag best foot forward kasi, kailangan lang during video call, maayos yung audio ko, maayos yung mic, maayos yung camera, etc. Pero, hindi lang naman yun eh. Kailangan mapakita mo din na kaya mong gawin yung gusto niyang ipagawa sa'yo. Paano kung hindi ako i-hire? Di sayang naman yung lahat ng ginawa ko. Walang sayang sa process na to. Kasi lahat ng imaginary clients na ginawan mo ng output, lahat yun pwede mo yung pagsamasamahin eh. Tapos malalagay mo din naman yun sa portfolio mo. In short, dumadami ngayon yung laman ng portfolio mo. Baka magulat ka na lang. Meron ka ng 15 output or 18 or 21, di ba? And the more na ginagawa mo yun, mas lalo ka pang gumagaling sa field na yun. Kasi nahahasa ka across different industries. At kapag nagawa mo yun, maybe you are ready for step number 3. Commercial break muna. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure that you like and you subscribe to my channel so that I can produce more videos like this. Okay, back to step number 3. Compile it in Google Slides. And maybe you are thinking, bakit Google Slides pa? Pwede namang PDF na lang tapos yun na lang i-send ko ng i-send. Para isang beses pa lang gagawin yung portfolio mo. Kasi imagine, no, kung ilalagay mo sa PDF every time na mag-a-apply ka, nako, every time na meron kang bagong imaginary clients na idadagdag sa portfolio mo, mag-e-export ka ng PDF over and over again. Which is something that you don't want to do. Kasi you want to lessen the time in job applications. So, in order to minimize the time needed, ilagay mo na lang sa Google Slides. So, every time na nag-update ka ng portfolio, automatic, lahat sila nakakakita. At kahit nga yung mga previous prospects na hindi ka hinire, kung maalala ka nila, tapos chinek nila yung portfolio mo, makita nila, uy, ang dami ng entry. Baka, it's time that they hire you. O, diba? So, itong process na to, sa umpisa lang talaga mahirap. And in the long run, it will make your life easier. Parang definition lang ng technology. Technology makes people's lives easier. And Google Slides is one of that technology. Pero paano pag ayaw ko gumawa ng portfolio? Well, here's a bonus tip for you. Kung ayaw mo talaga gumawa ng portfolio, then I suggest that you do free work or sample work. So, ano gagawin dun? Instead na gumawa ka ng output for imaginary clients, sila na lang mismo yung gawan mo ng output. Balik tayo dun sa example natin kanina. Kung graphic design, kung social media post yung ino-offer mo, instead na gumawa ka ng social media post for Nike or Adidas or etc., gawin mo na lang yun for your client. At sabihin mo sa kanya, hey Mr. Client, if you want to use this, feel free to do so. Libre na yan for you. Pero you have to accept na sometimes they won't accept that free work or sometimes they won't use that free work. Why? Kasi probably meron silang brand na mini-maintain tapos dahil hindi mo pa alam yung brand guidelines nila, posibleng hindi ito align sa gusto nila. And that's fine. You know why? Kasi yung ginawa mo for that specific client, pwede mo ngayong ilagay sa portfolio mo. At ngayon, kapag nag-apply ka, pwede mo nang ipakita na yun yung mga sample ng work na ginawa mo. But you see, yung freelancing kasi, when starting out, 90% of your time should be focused in applying for jobs. Diba? Tapos yung 10% lang, yun lang yung researching or learning about other stuff na related sa freelancing. Kasi kung di mo kayang kumuha ng client, anong gagawin mo sa skills na meron ka? Anong ma-offer mo? Paano ka kikita? Paano ka magkakaroon ng trabaho? So kung na-stuck ka sa pag-scroll sa onlinejobs.ph or upwork.com, puro hanap ka lang ng hanap at check mo, uy, parang okay yata yung salary nito Uy, parang maganda yung job post na to Pero, hindi ka naman nag-a-apply. Well, hindi ka din talaga makakuha ng client. Or kung ganito naman ginagawa mo, nag-apply ka sa 1, 2, or 3 clients in one day. Tapos, nag-antay ka na lang for the rest of the week or worse, for the rest of the month. Nako, mas lalong hindi ka makakuha ng client. Kasi may possibility na yung mga job post na yun, nagsarado na dahil hindi lang na-update ni client. So ano yung kailangan mong gawin? You have to keep on applying every single day or whenever you're free. And another tip for you is that you have to apply to the same type of work na gusto mo. So kung graphic design lang, mag-apply ka sa lahat lang ng graphic design related na job post para iisang resume, iisang portfolio lang yung pinapasa mo. Kasi yun yung common na mistakes ng newbies Kapag nakita nila na mas mataas yung sweldo sa kabila, a-applyan nila yon kahit na hindi pa sila ganun ka-confident sa skills nila. Wala akong comment ngayon So next siguro. And let me be the first to tell you na kailangan mo talagang maglaan ng effort into doing it. Kaano ba talaga gusto yung work from home lifestyle or financial freedom? Kasi yung level ng effort na nilalagay mo ngayon, na ginagawa mo ngayon, reflects your desire into achieving your dreams. So if I were you, I will act now. My name is Pao, and see you on the next video.